How to add a link in Instagram bio. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. For that, launch your Instagram application from your device and get logged into your Instagram account. Tap on the Use section in order to be able to add link in your Instagram bio, you have to change your Instagram account to a business account. To do that, tap on the three-bar icon. Here, scroll below. Then you will see account type and tools. Tap onto it, then tap on switch to professional account. Then tap on continue. Then choose any categories that you would like. If you would like to display this onto your profile, then toggle on display on profile button, then tap on done. As you do so, tap on to creator or business if you would like, then tap on next. Then here you can complete all these steps by yourself. Once you do all that, refresh your page. As you do so, you will be able to see professional dashboard option onto your profile. Then tap on edit profile. Then at this page, you will see add link option. Tap onto it, and if you would like to add your Facebook link, tap on add Facebook profile and tap on add profile link. If you have an external link that you would like to add, then tap on add external link. Enter the URL, the title. Once done, tap on the checkbox. And just like so, as you can see that it shows Facebook profile. Tap onto it. It will open up your Facebook profile or any other external link that you added. And just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.